Every premium leather bag begins not in a factory, but here, in the fields where the animal lives. Each animal is logged, tracked, and selected. Quality begins with the source. The journey from field to facility starts with a single gate closing behind them. Hundreds of animals, one destination. The facility where raw hide becomes refined material. Every hide is traceable. Weight, origin, date, recorded before the animal leaves the land. Behind every finished bag is a journey that begins in dust and ends in precision. Through the dark and the distance to sand, the raw material moves toward the hands that will transform it. The facility never sleeps. By the time the truck arrives, the machines have already been running for hours. Nothing enters without verification. The chain of custody begins at the gate. The receiving bay is the threshold between the natural world and the industrial one.
Every movement inside these walls is coordinated. Precision is not optional, it is the baseline. Easy, easy, stop.
From open pasture to holding pen proves the animal's final environment before the process begins.
Health, weight, origin, every variable logged before a single hide is touched.
All right, team, batch 4521 is loaded, 75 head count. We need to route them through zone 3 immediately.
What about the incoming shipment for zone 4?
From above, you understand the scale. From inside, you understand the discipline.
Every shift begins the same way, checked in, suited up, and accountable from the first second.
The gear is not ceremonial. Every layer exists because this work demands it.
Beyond this corridor, the raw material meets the process. Nothing looks the same on the other side.
Processing floor A. This is where the transformation begins and where it will not stop until the job is done. The chain never stops moving. It is the spine of the entire operation. The hide arrives whole. What happens next will determine whether it becomes something extraordinary.
The machine does in seconds what would take hours by hand. Precision removal boom. Nothing wasted, nothing left behind. Every edge tells a story. The trimmer's job is to make sure only the right story remains.
Water is the first agent of transformation. It opens the hide, cleanses it, and prepares it for what chemistry will do next.
Lime opens the fiber structure of the hide, loosening hair, breaking down protein, and making the skin ready to receive tannin. What enters covered, leave clean. The hide is now a blank surface, waiting for identity. The grade determines everything that follows. A wrong call here costs the entire downstream process. Sorted, graded, and separated to read. Only the best hides pass through these doors. The tannery is where chemistry and craft meet. What enters as skin leaves as leather. The formula is precise. The timing is exact. Inside this drum, the hide's fiber chrome tanning takes 18 hours. In this room, time itself is an ingredient.
Wet blue. The first proof that the process is working. The hide has taken the chemistry, now it must be measured.
Splitting defines the final product. The top grain will become the face of the bag. Every millimeter counts. Retanning is where the leather finds its character, its softness, its body, its ability to accept color. Water out, structure in. The samming press sets the leather's body, firm enough to hold shape, flexible enough to work. Color is not applied to leather. It is absorbed by it. The dye enters every fiber, permanently.
Every color is verified mid-cycle. A deviation of 2 shades here becomes a rejected bag at the end of the line.
Cognac brown, deep, even, permanent. The leather now carries its identity. Every bag will wear this color for decades. Tension during drying is everything. Release it wrong and the leather distorts. Hold it right and it sets perfectly flat.
Staking returns what drying takes away. Softness is not accidental. It is worked back into every fiber. The finish coat is the leather's armor, protecting the color and grain from the years of use ahead.
Heat, pressure, and time. The plating press gives the leather its final face, the surface that will be seen and touched every day.
The scanner sees what the human eye cannot. Every usable centimeter is mapped before a single cut is made.
Waste is a cost. The nesting software eliminates it, every pattern piece placed with mathematical precision. The machine cuts what the software designed. Human hands could not achieve this consistency across 10,000 pieces. Every piece knows where it belongs. The system routes, sorts, and delivers, without hesitation, without error.
A bag's edge is its signature. Skiving ensures every fold is clean, every seam lies flat, every detail is deliberate.
The edge is finished before the bag is built. Every detail completed in sequence. That is how precision manufacturing works.
Every hole punched in exactly the right place. Every piece of hardware set before a single stitch is made. The assembly floor is where individual pieces stop being components and start becoming something people will carry for a lifetime. One stitch at a time, each one placed where the last one ended. This is not manufacturing pride, this is craft at industrial scale. Glue first, stitch second. The cement holds the position so the needle can make it permanent.
The corners carry the load. They are stitched twice, checked twice, and never rushed.
The moment a bag stands on its own for the first time strewn, that is the moment a product is born.
A strap must carry weight for years without yielding. It is built with that single purpose in mind. The last stitch closes the last seam. The bag is whole. Everything that follows is verification.
Quality control is not a formality. It is the last conversation between the maker and the product before it meets the world.
A bag's seam must outlast years of daily load. The tensile tester does not lie. The number either passes or it does not. Hardware fails before leather does. Every clasp, every ring, every zipper tested beyond the demands of normal use.
The laboratory speaks in numbers, and the numbers must agree before anything moves forward.
Color is measured, not assumed. A number below 1. The eye cannot see the difference, Grishy, but the instrument can. 40 years of experience in 2 hands. When he stamps it approved, it is approved. Approved. The word that ends the making and begins the delivering.
The packaging room is the last room the bag will see before it sees the world. Everything here reflects that.
The box is not packaging. It is the first impression. It must be worthy of what is inside.
Sealed inside and out. The product is protected from this moment until the customer's hands open it.
Layer by layer, the pallet becomes a shipment. The robotic arm does not tire, does not misplace. It simply builds.
Wrapped, sealed, documented. The pallet is ready to move out, and it will not stop moving until it reaches its destination.
The warehouse holds the output of thousands of hours of work. Organized, traceable, ready, waiting only for the order that releases it.
And this is how modern factories produce premium leather bags at sea. From live cattle to finished product. Start